Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with the Dewey. Today we are changing out the battery in our key fob. Okay, so we have the keyless power door lock entry. So this is the key fob that we have. So if you have the tech package or advanced package, you will be doing this one. We are changing out the battery in our key fob for our 2010 Acura ZDX. This is the base model, so we have this older design. But here's the fob. It's pretty beat up. Alright, well, here are the tools you're gonna need. Just a small Phillips screwdriver. And 3-volt lithium batteries. So this one is CR1616. I'll add the link down below on where I got these. Alright, so under here, okay, so what we do when this is closed, you press this, it releases. Unscrew this Phillips screw down here. Okay, so this part right here with the buttons on it comes off. So what you do is you just lift it forward like this. Keep lifting it and it pops off. There. So do you see there's like a little, where that screw held on, it's a little tab. It pops up like this. There you go. It's filthy in here. Alright, so I'll set this aside. So the battery is in this section. So from here, if you hold it like this, do you see how it comes down already? The lock button is hanging. Pull it down. So that's the cover. Okay, so the battery is located in here. If you looked on the edge, there, do you see this little notch? It looks like you can fit a coin in between. You can use a coin or a flathead screwdriver. So use a flathead right here. And then twist. There. So do you see how it lifts up? Now you can pull this up gently. So there's that little notch. Lift it up. And then you see your battery. Put it like that. The way it's facing, we just have to match this up. Okay. So go ahead and pull the battery out. It's held in by a little plastic. There we go. So this is Panasonic CR1616. Take our new battery and then make sure it clicks. There we go. Make sure the rotation is still the same way, so that tab goes. It only fits on one way because it has this little notch. Okay. And then press. Make sure it clicks all the way around and everything is seated properly. Part number SVNA0. Alright, just put it back together. So to put it in, you line it up like this and you push forward that way. There, clicks in place. For here, you just push down. There we go. Now put the screw back in. Done. All right, let's test it. See if it lights up. There we go. Unlock and trunk. Go ahead and test it. We're gonna unlock the door. I can hear it. And then lock. Press it twice. It beeps. Now unlock. And we're gonna open the trunk. So press and hold the trunk button. All right, let's close the trunk. I don't really want to bother my neighbors by pressing the panic button, but it looks like everything else works. Let's lock it. All right, done. All right, well, that's pretty much how you change the battery on a base model Acura ZDX. So I know most of you guys probably have a tech package or an advanced package. So your controller key fob will look a little different than this. So if you have the tech package or advanced package, you will be doing this one. So keyless access system. So this is the one that you just walk up to the car and you pull the door handle and it will open. And first you have to remove the key. So you press the button in front of the key fob, slide the key out, and then on the edge, you can pry it open with a flathead screwdriver. You use battery CR2032. And it's basically the same procedure. You put the battery in and then you put the cover back on. You snap it in place, make sure it clicks, and reinsert your key back in there. This one doesn't have a Phillips screw that you have to undo. It just pops open after you remove the key. Use a flathead screwdriver, pop the plastic cover back off, and you're good to go. But all right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.